Hey everyone, so today I'm here to talk about what to do next. Nicehash has gone down, and all of you miners out there, maybe you're just mine on the side for fun, just picked it up and you're kinda not sure where to go. With the easy interface of Nicehash, it made everything really simple. The next step, you're probably worried, might not be as easy. But I'm here to tell you, Mining Pool Hub is a great pool for mining any kind of cryptocurrency. There's many options, and it also has a great auto exchange that automatically exchanges to whatever currency you want. Cryptocurrency, that is. So I will log in. You will make an account. You will have to verify it, which is very simple. And you will get this dashboard. So you can see all of the algorithms that they support. You see all of the cryptocurrencies that they have. And it's nice because you can mine one cryptocurrency if that's what you want to do, or you can go through all of them. There is a FAQ. Right here is your guide. The quick start guide for beginners. You're going to want to download, at least this is the one that I use, the multi-pool miner. It's pretty much already set up. You just have to make your workers in the hub, set a password, and you're good. You can then go to auto exchange, switch your auto currency or your auto exchange to whatever currency you want, and then whatever currency is mined, it will then be switched into that, which is great. So each separate mining pool has a hub, has a wallet, has your workers. You can check how they're mining. Super quick and easy. There is another FAQ that sets up things differently. It's not as automated, but if you download the multi-pool miner, it's just literally typing in a few things into the bat file, and it makes it super easy. So I think that's all I have today. I hope you guys liked the video. I'll put all the links in the description. Also, if you guys want to donate, shoot me something, I'll put my Ethernet wallet there as well.